And here are the original diagrams in Röcker's publication from 1982. And also the reason why he called it the Great Ocean Conveyor Belt. That is actually another important component. Because if you move dense water away from a source, it has to be replenished. So the entire deep circulation of the ocean is actually coupled with a return flow that happens near the surface. Okay? So from that you can construct a cycle of the deep water spreading through the oceans. You have that rain of particles which become converted into dissolved substances. And that's the one here in the bottom one. It shows you the entire cycle. Okay? And important components of that is the return flow. Okay? And the return flow in the North Atlantic is important for the climate of the region, because this actually creates a much warmer climate in Europe, the influences of that return flow, which actually moves warmer water coming from the Gulf Stream, turning into the North Atlantic current. And that's actually also the current that moves still relatively warm water into the Arctic Ocean, okay, where it appears as a subsurface feature. So that is the structure, but we also nowadays, what's the time scale? How long does it take? And there's a method called radiocarbon ages, okay? Radiocarbon dating of water below 1,500 meters is shown here in this map. Okay, and this map is a little bit shown in a different way. The Pacific Ocean is actually in the middle on this map. And you can see the age of water. Okay, so how old is the water? And what you find is that the youngest water is in the North Atlantic and also close to the continental margin of Antarctica. And the oldest water is older than 1,000 years, and you find that water in the North Pacific Ocean. Okay. So that gives you an idea. It's about timescale, and timescale it takes is longer than 1,000 years for water to move from the North Atlantic to the North Pacific. And that's an important piece of information if you're interested in long-term climate changes. So how long does it change before that signal or any disturbance in the signal is passed on from the North Atlantic to the North Pacific?